So, this might be a bit of a late update, but I've had a lot of things to do and fix. But I finally got around to fixing the biggest issues that I had with the current build of the game. Um, I needed to rework the entire planting system to work with a better inventory system and just so I can um, select each seed that I want to plant and just select the square that I want to plant on and plant on there just so just so you can plant wherever you want to, and also so you can change the current ID of the seed that's planted while it's planted, so you can put the spell on it or do whatever. So I reworked the entire system to fit um, or to work with that idea of the game. So I'll show you here. So first of all, the sound still works. I don't know why there's an error there, but it works. And now if there's a plant already planted there, then you can edit it to make it so now it's a basic one, and if you go down one, then you change the seed ID to a dirt one, and then a fire one, and then a water one, and then one down again, and then it goes up, and you can go up and down or whatever. Just change it to whatever. And obviously it still grows and everything, and it's still, you can still choose it like this, but I think I'm gonna rework so you can like have an inventory system up and then like drag plants and then put it on there, and trigger itself to know if it's equipped or not, or to what seed ID is equipped or not. I think I will put on the seed itself, and if it says that this is active, then that seed will be planted. But currently for now, 1 is basic, 2 is dirt, 3 is fire, and the last one, 4, is water. So they have set values currently, but I will change that. And as you can see, also the numbers currently don't diminish or anything when you plant, and it doesn't go up. Or I think actually it goes up when you pick them up. So I'll just do that real quick. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that's how that works. As you can see, if I just plant this, I think that I have a few things to fix. I have reworked it and it does work currently. I think I actually changed like one line of the code, and I think that broke it, but it should work. And I have fixed it to work. I checked it like just before I did this, but I didn't change anything. And you can see here that it's number 3 is the current one, that the ID of the plant that's planted. And you can still go to the store. You can buy regular seeds with the money that you don't have currently, and then you just press escape. You can get the settings menu up and everything. And you can sleep also, and you can get the seeds that are stored here, so sleep seeds and everything. But that's basically the biggest thing, is that I reworked the planning system, which obviously doesn't work now, but I think that it's just a small thing that I have to fix. Yeah, but other than that, the game actually is sorta unchanged. I've changed a few more things that aren't as big. I actually redid the planning grid system to work with the new planning system, and I changed a few things like on the game controller to so I can see, because this sends a ray and gets the ray from the camera to the mouse pointer where it points it, and sometimes it can hit like when I press sleep before it hit the one behind it. So I actually disable the ray casting system while any menu is up. So if I have the escape menu up, it shouldn't. Yeah, it didn't open the plant thing, as you can see. So that's basically everything I've redone. I now see that I have some more redoing to do, but I have gotten it to work, and I'm well on my way of creating a crafting system. I have a few things to actually do before I get the crafting system done. I'm actually gonna not redo the planning this thing until I have the crafting system up first, so I can like have a little sprite here, and you can press left or right which sprite you want it to have and stuff. Yeah. And as I said, I have a boolean to see if it's planted already or not, and if it is planted or not, then I can change this button. So let's do 4 now. Let's see if it actually works like that. Should have water. Okay, it still is basic somehow. I don't know why that is. Okay, yeah, that's very weird. Also, I've redone, instead of just having the plant grow at the exact same speeds, I have randomized it a bit more, just so it's not like too boring, like every plant takes the same type deal. I sort of want it to be a bit more random, so that's what I've implemented as well. The day system still works. That's how I keep track of how when the current day that the plant is planted on, and when the current day of that day. That's how I make sure that the plants grow at their same, or at a good rate. Sorry. I have redone some canvas things that were whack with this, so I just redid them even though I didn't need to. That's basically everything I've done. It's not that much, but it's also just getting it's also sort of just like now getting where I want it to be. So and also the crafting system needs to be implemented before Steam will approve the game. So I was gonna have it up before and have it still or have it the same way as it is right now, and just update it and just throw it out there. But I gotta get the crafting system work and done first, and I gotta change so it looks a bit better. I'm actually gonna redo a lot of the sprites, since the sprites look horrible currently. They look awful. They look really bad. But I think that I've done a lot of good so far with redoing like almost all of the scripts. Yeah, all of the scripts. So thank you for watching, and I will be updating you as soon as I get this fixed. Thank you so much.